Hey guys, so in this video I would like to talk about how to create an analysis service instance locally so that we can use Power BI to connect to it in the same way like we are using Azure Analysis Service onto Power BI. So we can actually create a local environment with the help of Visual Studio 2017 and data tools installed on it. Also, we will require SQL Server with Analysis Service add-on on it. Note that we can only use Visual Studio 2017 Community Edition or whichever edition, it should be 2017. Post 2017, I did a upgrade to 2022, which did not have this tabular model SSAS instance which can be created on Visual Studio. So that feature was not there. I'm not sure why, but I hope Microsoft brings it in as soon as possible. So let's have a look at our environment. I am going to use Adventure Works dataset, which is currently on my local SQL Server instance. And I'm gonna create a model with Visual Studio 2017. It's going to be a tabular model. Then I will deploy it to the local SSAS instance and then access it with Power BI. The first thing that we are going to need is SQL Server Management Studio open. And we need let's just connect the database engine. Let's also connect the analysis service instance. In the meanwhile, let me bring up Visual Studio. All right. So I'm going to create a new project. And if you have the analysis service add-ons installed, you will definitely get this option over here. Click on OK. Now, you need to connect to the workspace server here, which is your SSAS instance, server instance. This is how you create a SSAS tabular model solution in Visual Studio 2017. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a solution that I have already created. I'll walk you through how I have imported this model. So what you need to do is you need to click here. Okay, this is the same set of folders that you received on the other one. So on the other file. Now let's just right click, import from new data source. And we get this one over here, SQL Server. So what you need to do next is you need to provide the instance name. Sorry, we need to connect to it. Okay. I've copied that down. Provide it here. Okay. Just click next. And okay, so you need to select service account over here rather than other options. It's better. And just click on next. And now we need to choose the tables. So we have all the tables over here. Just select on the ones that you need and hit finish. Okay, so I have already imported few other tables over here. And once you have imported them, you have an option over here says diagram. Just click over there. So here you can see that there are all the tables and the relations. All these relationships are automatically imported from the SQL Server. So as of now, we have imported the tables over here. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to publish it. What I need to do is, now getting back to the SSAS instance, let's just click the databases over here and you will see this instance here. So prior to our file, this file which we opened up, we did not have that option over there. We only had incident metrics and tabular project one. So why is that? Is because we have not published this model to our local instance. So in order to make this permanent, like so the next time after we publish, it would just say AdventureWorks BI and not this one. This part won't be here. to publish this to our local server, the right term would be to deploy it. Okay. So let's just go to the Solution Explorer. And from here, what you need to do is just give build solution and deploy solution. So this is currently deploying our existing model to our local SSAS instance. And yeah. So let's take a look over here. Let's do one thing. Let us just close up this file. Refresh the instance and see, there you go. We have the model there. Okay, see, we have all the tables here. So you need to pick the Azure Analysis Service instance name. Okay, just copy the instance name from there and bring up Power BI. You don't need this anymore over here, so we can just close it off. Our analysis service instance will be always running in the background. Just hit the get data from the database, choose SQL Server Analysis Service database, connect, just provide our local instance, and there we go. We have the entire model over here. Just select the model, click OK, and wait for the tables to load. So if you look down here, it says live connection connected. And that's how you do it.